light signal. Now I could see this ramp speed, which is a 30.
Yes.
And it's like a rounding ramp. So you follow the speed limit, take easy, slow down, look further out. Stay on the steering wheel, both hands at all time, eyes further away from you.
Okay.
Now you could gradually accelerate, and sign says that this lane is going to end up very soon. Give more gas. And now we're going to be enter into the acceleration lane, and we look in the another traffic, we watch the traffic, we find the distance between each other, and we have a room to get in. We gradually accelerate, take easy now, take very easy.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, good. Yeah, that was good.
Next intersection, turn left again, please. Very good. That was a very good lane change. You watch the car in your blind spot, I'm glad to see.
Thank you.